So it's been a few years since I left the car audio scene. Didn't think I was gonna do it, but I actually came back to it. My dealer, which I go through, he actually started his own brand called Kong Audio, upstate New York. Yes, I do have the rights to use the name as I'm representing the brand. With that being said, yeah, I took in. Got a Kong audio system going now. Got your typical big three upgrade going on. Oversized zero gauge, um, alternator, battery, engine ground, battery back. Anybody who knows big three upgrade or don't know how to do it or whatever, you can just take and YouTube that or search for it on YouTube. No, I don't own the license to use the name YouTube. But anyhow, without further ado, here we go. Dual Kong 12-inch subwoofers, minimum power, 2,500 watts RMS, maximum 5,000 watts, which means it's 5,000 watts minimum, 10,000 watts combined, max power. Now back to the trunk really quick. Kong Audio amp. The Kong Audio amp, 10,000 watts max power, and I'm gonna show you right off the bat. On the end of the gain's not even close to halfway up, and my camera doesn't want to actually get the detail on it. Well, there you go. Gain's not even close to halfway up, roughly 2/4. But without further ado, let's get inside and show you guys how it sounds. I love that voltage meter. Now, just to give you a fair heads up, the amp is very rough tuned, but I can honestly say I love these subs. I love this box. Very, very high quality. I've beat on them a little bit already, and they're taking beatings that I've given them with ease. Subs are still brand new, so they're still being broken in. But there's my bass knob, and I apologize about the mess in the car, so I'll go halfway on it and just jump right to some bass demos. Halfway on the bass knob, and yes, I can go all the way on it, but I'll just do half for here. Stay trippy for life, man. Amp is cold. As you can hear, the motor's not even struggling. It is amazing how deep it is. Give you some flexing action on the subs. Let's get right back inside of it. That's that one. Excuse me. Here we go. I'm only 22 on the deck. Keep in mind that amp is only 2/4 of the way up. I'm not even halfway on the amp, so I got a lot more I can pull out of it. I'll give you guys one more song. And my voltage is still right there. This amp is amazing when it comes to voltage. I'm quite shocked with how efficient this amp is. Only halfway on the bass knob, but I can go all the way. I'll do it for this song. All the way. That's the amp only at 2/4. That's pretty much that. I apologize that I can't do a more in-depth detailed video on it. Reason being, where I live now, it's very hard to find a place to do demos at. And I'm in a parking lot right now, and yeah, I don't want to exactly do this too long, especially with it being as early as it is in the morning. But I figured best time to get it since no one's out and about. But here we go again. Kong Audio, yes, I do have the rights to use the name. It's a new founded brand by Dave Guam. I apologize, man, if I got your last name wrong, but he's the founder and owner of Kong Audio. Also licensed retailer for Genius Audio, and no, I do not have the license to use their name, but it's a dealer I take and I go through, representing Kong Audio up here in upstate New York. Rather it's Genius Audio or Kong Audio up here in upstate New York. Out in Schenectady, David Guam is your #1 source for all your car audio needs. With that being said, I'm out. And yes, I'm back in the scene. Have a good day, guys.